Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Today we got a great Ask a Ninja from Neil in Casper, Wyoming. And Neil, I think this might be our very first Ask a Ninja that we answered from the state of Wyoming. And apparently the house that he recently purchased, the previous owner used to use their crawl space as a litter box, literally. And he wants to know what he can do about the odors. Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to crawl space encapsulation, mold remediation, and dehumidification. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel, ring that notifications bell. Make sure you check out our DIY store and our franchise opportunities. Well, Neil, I gotta say, man, my heart goes out to you because I was meeting with this lady once, and she said I would rather smell mold than cat pee. So, you know, I get that cat urine and dog urine odors can be quite pungent and powerful and hard to live with. So let's read your question. I have a 10 by 10 crawl space that the previous owner used as a litter box for dogs and cats. What do I need to do to eliminate the smell? I can put down a barrier, but do I need to add something to the ground to help get rid of that smell? Okay, so let's talk about this for just a second. First of all, I love animals, so whenever I say comments about I don't like animal odors and all that, I don't want y'all to take that the wrong way. I have 2 doodles and, you know, 2 lizards in the house. I got a bearded dragon and, you know, all that. I'm just allergic to cats. So that's why if I talk about cats, I love them. I think they're funny. I'm just allergic to them. So anyway, what you could do, Neil, is I would recommend that you look at a product like Anafresh, okay? So if you take out all of the vapor barrier that's currently in place, and remember, odors are 3-dimensional, okay? So don't just focus on the ground, all right? Cigarette smoke is a great example. Back whenever I was doing real estate transactions, we had machines and they had ozone in them, and you can use ozone machines in your crawl space too to take care of odors. If you're in a state that doesn't like ozone, like California, then you can't. But anyway, what we would do is we would go into a home and we would treat the entire home. So we would use ozone and we would fog it with things like Anafresh and different things like that. And you would have to, you know, hit the floor as well as the walls inside the ductwork, the ceiling, everything would need to be treated. And that's a nice thing about ozone or fogging, is that you can treat all dimensions of the crawl space. So don't just focus on the ground, is what I'm trying to tell you. Because even though there's that urine, that physical urine in the soil, that odor has probably risen up and absorbed into the subfloor and into the joists and maybe even the concrete. I mean, it can wreak havoc. So what I would do is, if ozone isn't, you know, ozone machines can be quite expensive. If you'll get a bottle of Anafresh, and I'm going to put a link to that down below, you can mix up a Anafresh because it uses essential oils to not mask the odor, but actually to destroy the odor. And that's what you want to do. So you can get a fogger on our DIY store. You can get the Anafresh on our DIY store. Mix that thing up and spray it everywhere. I mean, do it on the subfloor. I mean, I would direct spray it on the subfloor, on the dirt, on the walls, everywhere. If your ductwork's running through there, I'd maybe fog the inside of that ductwork, you know, pull the filter out and turn the fan to the on position and let that thing just do a light misting inside. Don't like drench it, because then you'll have all this moisture inside your ductwork. Just a light misting inside of the HVAC system, and then don't do anything. Let it settle, give it a day or so, see if the odor is completely gone. If it's not, then treat it again. I would do that as often as it takes, then put your vapor barrier down. Because if you put the plastic down over it after maybe one treatment, remember, that stuff's got to get down in the soil. Imagine how deep into the soil urine can get, right? So you might want to get like a garden sprayer and kind of hit the soil with it and then fog everywhere else, just to make sure you're saturating that soil and all other parts of the crawl space. Make sure you test Anafresh, okay? Because you may not like the odor of Anafresh. So make sure you test it on a small area, you and your family, check it out, make sure it's something you can live with. I personally think it smells pretty good, But remember that odors, you know, it's all up to you what you think smells good and what you think doesn't. So hopefully that'll help you out. Of course, if you want to get some ozone machines, throw them down in the crawl space, that's an option too, but you shouldn't be in the house if you got high levels of ozone being produced down in that crawl space. That's why you want to be careful with ozone. I'm Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.